A warm welcome to all. I'm Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So this is a video about textile science. So in this video, we are going to see about what is a field of textile, a comprehensive journey through a textile science fundamentals from ancient fiber traditions to cutting edge technical applications in today industrial landscapes. So first of all, the what is meant by textile fibers? So which is a small hair like structure, which is the basic structure of the fiber from the basic, which is the starting point of the textiles. So it is the main field. So it is a field of textiles, a comprehensive journey through the textile science. So through we are learning about what is the microscopic structures, and flame test, chemical test. That are some of the tests which is we used to find what is the fiber. So which means there are different types of fibers are there. So first we are learning about what is the fiber. So it is a basic of the textiles. This is the main concept of it. Next one is what defines a textile today. So what is the main concept of textile today? First of all, the historical definition originally referred only to woven fabrics and the weaving process that created during the ancient civilizations. So first of all, the weaving structure, it is a basic concept of textiles on the old times. Now the modern scopes are now encompassing staple filaments, fibers, yarns and fabrics produced through weaving, knitting, tufting and non-woven formation methods. So the main nowadays the staple fibers, there are two types of fibers we mainly concentrate on based on the length of the fiber. Staple fiber, it is a small one, and the filament, which is a longer one. So this is the main concept of that. Fibers, yarns and the fabric which is produced through different types. First one is weaving, then is knitting. Weaving is the interlacement of yarns, knitting is interlooping of yarns, and the non-woven, it is the intermeshing of yarns. So this is the main process of manufacturing of textiles. So first we concentrated on raw materials, then the fabric structures, finally the end product, characterized by the flexibility, fineness and high strength to the thickness or ratios. This is the main concept. And next one is the fabric structures, planar formation, that the fabric has been prepared through those methods, and finally the end product, the apparel and the article manufacturing, maintaining original fabric flexibility and drape characteristics. So this is the main concept of it. Next one is 10,000 years of textile heritage. So the first late stone ago, the first textile emerges in the Middle East over 10,000 years ago. So this is the first and basic structure. It is the first of all starting base. Next one is ancient civilization. Natural fibers like cotton, flax which is the linen like one, and jute used for clothing, shelter and fishing nets. This is the main usage of that time. Next, Roman innovation, early geotextiles. So geotextiles, which is the main process, it is construction process of dam and road. So the geotextile concentrate on mainly on the construction process, so which makes the usage of textiles using those construction process to make the outcome very good. The woven fabric stabilizing the marshy ground for road constructions. Mainly we concentrate on sustainable and eco-friendly products. This is the main concept of the particular time innovations. Industrial revolution, textile production drives the mechanization and organized labor systems. So this is the 10,000 years of textile heritage. Next is the modern textile manufacturing process. What are all the textile manufacturing process? First one is fiber production. In the basic, we cultivating the fibers from both natural and man-made fibers, cultivation of natural fibers and generations of manufactured alternatives. Second one is yarn formation. Spinning process converts the fibers into continuous strands for fabric constructions. So there are various process from the cultivation of the fibers. That's the first step. The second step is after the cultivating of the fibers has been taken to the biggest formation, that is the spinning mills. Those spinning mills concentrate on how we can produce a very good fine thin yarn for the fabric production. It is a main formation, it is the main process, that is yarn formation. Third one is fabric creation. Weaving, knitting, non-woven techniques form structured textile materials. In after that the fabric preparation, then the next step is preparation and finishing. So if we produce a fabric, it is called as gray fabric. After the preparation of the gray fabric, we have to go with the various preparations and finishing process. Desizing, covering, bleaching, dyeing and mechanical treatments enhance the performance of the fabric. The last one is end of the life management. The commercial laundering, recycling and environmental conscious disposable methods, so that we have to produce a fabric which is to be eco-friendly. It should have a long life term, and it should not be while producing it won't disturb the environment, like causing pollutions, any other issues, so that those to be avoided. So end of the life management, it's mainly concentrate on eco-friendly products. So the next one is, so this is the production process, the manufacturing fabric classification. Essential fiber properties are tensile strength, elasticity, fineness and length, flexibility and drape, and spinnability. So those are the main essential properties of fiber properties. Next one is secondary performance characteristics, moisture management, durability factors, aesthetic properties, safety characteristics. The technical textile engineering solutions. So while using those products, the technical textile is the main standard place for you producing those fabrics. So the global market value and the fiber consumption has been given here. So diverse technical textile applications. So there are mainly we concentrate on those applications. First one is civil engineering, that is the land, dam construction, road construction, filtration process, everything has been comes under this. It is civil engineering. Healthcare, it is medical textiles. Transportation is mobile textiles. Protection and safety, that is protective textiles and sports textiles. And industrial components, that is industrial textiles. And environmental solution, that is oak textiles. So this is the main concept of technical textile. We concentrate on this textile science. Thank you.